Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are and whenever you are watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. This is the weekly update for us, as I try to commit to every week. And most of the time I can make up on that promise. So, yeah, here we go. It's been exciting times. We've since last week we've been talking about this 25K level for a couple of months already, and yeah, it finally happened. So our 25K buy orders got filled. Most of you are in a couple of percent profit if you took this trade and your orders got filled as well. Unfortunately, the 24.5K didn't get filled, so I had some buy order, or I still have them open there. Just in case we get a pullback somewhere, which is definitely not out of the picture yet, because yeah, we were talking or seeing this drop to the 25K, basically seeing that happen because of the MACD and the RSI on the weekly time frame, which is this chart we have in front of us right now. And yeah, you can see that the red has turned bigger. It looked like during the last week that it would be bought up, and it turned light red again the second week. But yeah, you can see right here that yeah, that there's still red right here. But the other thing is that the RSI did cool off a little. It's in the mid range, the mid of the mid range, the mid of the gray beam. So yeah, it is okay. It is okay. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see the RSI drop a little lower, just to get some more growth to the upside after that, right? So yeah, this is the weekly time frame. This is the falling wedge that we were looking at. We saw it retested. We bought here in the 15, 16, 17K region. We bought it all the way up, and now we have bought another dip, which is great. Of course, you can dollar cost average, which is the easiest way, or you can watch the videos we make and try to buy at the regional dips, right? So yeah, let's just jump into the daily time frame, because we have had this resistance right here keeping us down, holding the price down. And yeah, it got respected a couple of times, and then we saw some significant drops. And as you can see right here, is that we did close a daily candle above this. And yeah, essentially you can see right now that it is retested exactly. And yeah, it's getting bought up already. So if you are trading in the shorter term right now, which I'm not currently, then yeah, then this could be a nice retest for a long leveraged long position. Yeah, we were in a long position or in a spot buy position since this 25K. You could see it dropped a little lower, but yeah, it was a very nice buy order. And yeah, I'm very happy with it. I hope you are too, because yeah, you were able to catch up some cheaper Bitcoin. And this pattern, this falling channel has a target of the start of the pattern, which is around the 30K region right here. So if you are leverage trading in the short term, this could be definitely be a an interesting buy for long positions. And there are other signs that confirm this as well, because if we zoom in at the 4-hour time frame right here, then yeah, we can see a familiar pattern that we know of. And I'll show you, maybe if you don't see it immediately. But yeah, we have a where's the brush? Where's my brush? No brush. Purple. Well, okay, I don't know why the brush isn't working. Maybe it's lacking or a little bit, but yeah, you can see a right shoulder forming here, or a left shoulder forming here, a head and a right shoulder with a target line or a trend line, neckline of, oh, this is also not working, so I don't know what's going on, but yeah, let's just leave it at that. Maybe it will load later, but yeah, you can see this is an inverse head and shoulders with a pattern also for a long position. And if we break this neckline right here, which is not the case yet, then and retest it, then you could see that the neckline to the bottom of the head will likely bring us to 28k, which is an interesting level, because if we go back to the daily channel, you can see that this is a level which is important to break, but could also give us some rejection. So if you are in a long position leveraged, then I would definitely take some profits right here, because yeah, it could be we could get a rejection right here and retest either this line again, or maybe even drop to the 24.5k. That's why I am keeping the buy orders open, right? So definitely interesting time. If the 25k buy you had with us, then you're great. You're set up for a great thing. This is it's a very nice move. Let's look at this percentage wise. Is this also working from the 25k-ish until the 28th? Is a 14% move in a couple of days, which is very good if you did that, of course. So yeah, based on the weekly, I would love to see a little more downtrend, but in the immediate short term, which is right now, I think that we will rise again, at least to this level, and hopefully until this level. Then we, in an ideal scenario, we would like to see this going up here, get rejected and get supported right here, and then break through. Or it would be we close a candle somewhere here with a higher high than this one, get rejected from there and create a higher high from here. So this could also be a interesting buying option again at 25.7k, and then off to the moon, right? Or the moon, that's not where we're going right now. I do believe that the halving, which is less than a year away from now, will be somewhere between 30 and 40k, and then it's off to the races. And after the races is also the Bitcoin dominance chart. It's zoomed out right here, but that's because I want to give you a warning about altcoins. The altcoin market is basically driven by the Bitcoin dominance, and yeah, the Bitcoin dominance is exactly at 50% right now. So 50% of the total, every dollar, which is, or euro or whatever currency is in the crypto market, 50% of that is Bitcoin. That's why yeah, Bitcoin is and always will be the king, in my opinion. But a great way to, or a great possibility to buy altcoins and not risk as much is to wait for the Bitcoin price to be in this, the Bitcoin dominance, excuse me, to be in this range right here, right? So you can see that the previous bull run, you can see that the dominance, when the dominance is at 50-60, then you really need to, you really can step into altcoins. And right now, for me at least, you guys do your own research, of course, is still a very big risk to invest in altcoins right now. And I've been trying to tell you a lot of times. I see a lot of people in the Discord channel still heavily into altcoins, and I just want you to be careful, right? I want you to make money. I want you to be financially independent, and I want to be able to be of some assistance in that. And by shilling shit coins, I wouldn't be doing that. So please be careful with altcoins. Altcoins are bleeding. My altcoin bags are definitely very low right now. Not only in terms of holdings, how many altcoins I have, because I still do have altcoins. Some of my favorites are VeChain, Cardano. I've got some Holo, which is a very interesting coin for me. Yeah, and a few others, but I'm not investing in them right now. And my portfolio in that has decreased financially, or in terms of euros or dollars, very much, 90 to 95%. So from the all-time high. So it's very risky, but like I always say, do your own research. I hope you will be good. There's one thing I wanted to show you in the daily as well, is that, or on the 4 hourly right here, is that no, I'm not gonna show you, because the bullish divergence that I saw a few days ago isn't playing out as I thought it would be, or it corrected as well. So yeah, the inverse head and shoulders is a tradable event, but you have to wait until it breaks this neckline right here and then retests it. And if it holds after that, then you can go. You can see in the MACD right here that there is some indecisiveness in the strength, and that's why if we break the neckline, it could be a very tradable event with leverage if you are doing so. I'm not doing that before Bitcoin is over the 30K range and retested that as well. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm basically waiting to for Bitcoin to break this level, create a higher high, and then retest it, and then I will start to continue or picking up leverage trading again. So that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for your attention. Like I said in the beginning, I really do hope that you like the buy order we set at 25K. I'm extremely happy about it. We are making hundreds and hundreds of dollars or euros in just a matter of a week, and or thousands, or whatever, how many you invested, of course. But yeah, we are making money right here, and that's what we are. That's what we are looking for, right? So thanks a lot for your attention. Hope to talk to you soon, and that's it for now. Bye.